How to validate your trading account. To validate your trading account, you simply need to log into the XM members area and provide us with the necessary documents, such as your proof of identity and your proof of residence. What supporting documents do you need to send us? To validate your account, you need to submit 2 documents, your proof of identity and your proof of residency. As proof of identity, you need to submit a color that is not a black and white copy of a valid passport or other official identification document issued by authorities, for example, a driver's license or any identity card. Both sides of the identification document need to be clearly visible. It is also important that the document you submit is of high quality and it displays the full page. The identification document must contain your full name and your date of birth. As proof of residence, you need to submit a recent utility bill, for example, electricity, gas, water, phone, internet, or a bank account statement, dated within the last 6 months and confirming your registered address. Remember that your address on any of these documents must be the same as the address you provided during the XM account registration process. It is also important that the document you submit is of high quality and it displays the full page. How can you submit your supporting documents to us? All you need to do is log into the XM members area, click Upload Documents in the right-hand sidebar of the page, and upload a scanned version or a high-quality photocopy of both your proof of identity and your proof of residence by following the simple instructions there. Once you have had your supporting documents validated, you can start trading on over 300 instruments available at XM. You can make withdrawals from your trading account, and you can benefit from a full range of services. Thank you for watching.